white. Run! This is one of the elevators at the brand new Sacramento Convention Center, now Safe Credit Union.
Performing Arts Center.
No, that's just for the Performing Arts Center part. This is the Convention Center section.
Oh.
Very slow OTIS Gen2. Wow, it's like a hydro. One. Look at this panel. There's nothing else on it. I've never seen that before.
That's interesting.
Yeah, it's just, there's no key switches or anything. It's all on this panel.
These are very smooth.
Tin cans though.